myself, Mrs. ROSALINE NIRMALA, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. So in this semester, you people are as a student teacher in B.Ed trainees. You are going to do for your teaching practice, that is internship in schools. So you required skills to explain all the concept, whatever you are going to teach in a particular period. So as a B.Ed trainees, you all know that what is micro teaching, isn't it? Yes. So micro teaching is a scaled down technique. So that micro teaching only you are studying all the skills. So what is the first skill?
Skill of introduction.
Skill of introduction. Okay, very good. What is the next skill?
Skill of explaining.
Very good. Skill of explaining. So skill of explaining, when you are all using the skill of explaining, whatever the concept you are going to explain in a detailed manner, you are explaining. Okay, so using the skill of explaining. Okay, today we are going to see about a case that we all know that magnet, isn't it? What is this?
Magnet.
Magnet. What are the poles?
South pole and north pole.
Very good. South pole and the north pole. It is what is the shape of the magnet?
It's rectangular.
Rectangular, or we can use to say that it is a bar magnet. So we have two magnets. Okay. Agila, what is meant by magnetic substance?
The substance which are attracted to magnets are generally known as magnet.
Very good. The substance which are attracted by the magnet are called magnetic substance. Example, Kavya?
Steel, iron are the examples of magnetic substance.
Yes. What are the other examples?
Cobalt, nickel.
Nickel. Very good. So the magnetic substances are iron, nickel, cobalt. Okay. So as you all know that magnetic substance is attracted by the magnet. You check and see, Akhila. You also see whether it is attracted by the magnet. Yeah. So it is attracted in the both poles. Isn't it? Both poles. Okay. So now we will see why we are not saying that iron is not a magnet. Iron is not a magnet. You explain, Akhila, why iron is not a magnet?
Ma'am, usually magnet contains two poles. Those are north and south. When we make these two poles come across, that's one north pole and one south pole. We see that it's attract together, and like that, when we checking both the sides, and when it comes to the north pole and north pole, it's the one of the characteristics of magnet that the like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract. But when we comes in when we see that when iron takes close to the magnet, both sides are attracting the iron. But that's why iron is termed as a magnetic substance and not a
Magnet. Yes. Now we clear this, isn't it? Iron is not a magnet, but it is a magnetic substance. Yes, because it is attracted by the both poles. As she said that no, like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. Because we all know that north and north pole always repel each other. Very good. North and south pole attract. We understand the concept. Now why we are saying that magnet is iron is not a magnet, but it is attracted by the magnetic substance. So for that purpose, in mathematics also, suppose if you want to explain any theorem or in order to prove some equations also, we are using the skill of explaining. Like in all the subject, even in history also, sometimes some civilization, why they have followed, why, whenever the question comes why, we are using the skill of explaining. Now we all understand what is magnetic substances. What are the examples of the magnetic substances also? Then when we are using the skill of explaining. So whenever you want to explain, so the skill of explaining also, when you explain the skill, explain the concept, you must have a clear idea about the particular Concept, very good. Particular concept. And also you must continuously use the explaining links also. Now you understand. I think it is very useful for you people to explain the concept when you have your internship training also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.